Afternoon guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we've been working on one of our very good friends, SQ5. Done a whole host of stuff to this car: folding wing mirrors, CarPlay, reversing camera, sound booster, lots of stuff. Now the next option we've gone for is this SQ5. It's got the electric tailgate, so that means when you push the button inside or the button on the key on the tailgate, it will automatically go open and close. But customer wanted to be able to do it through the key fob like you can on the A6s and the A7. So this video shows you that it is possible on this range of vehicles. So that's the A4, the A5 and the Q5 and the SQ5, or all the R's and all the S's, as long as you've got the electric tailgate installed. So before, you'd have to go and push the handle, and it would then open itself up, and likewise you push the button inside to close it. Now what you can do is we've fitted a module. It can't be done with coding alone. You have to fit a new module for it to be able to do it. So you've got your normal key fob here. So what we're going to do is we're going to push and hold on the boot open button. Tailgate opens up remotely, and there we go, nice and open. Now to close it, you simply push 2 clicks, and then the tailgate closes itself. It's got the soft latching system, pulls itself in, car locks itself, and away we go. So this is our remote tailgate operation system. It is a module. It's not activation, it's not coding. It is physical parts that have to be hardwired into the tailgate module to give you this extra functionality. All the existing features of using the handle or the button inside remain exactly the same, apart from now when you want to open and close the tailgate from inside the car, you just either push it up or push it down and hold it for a couple of seconds. The module then kicks in and then carries on the rest of the motion, so you don't have to worry. And likewise, the button in the tailgate to close it will still work exactly the same. So as I mentioned, works on the whole A4, A5 and Q5 range, and I'll just quickly show you it again. Push and hold the boot button. Tailgate opens up nice and smoothly, and then 2 clicks to lock it, and then the tailgate comes down automatically, closes itself, and then locks the vehicle. So if you've got an A4, an A5 or a Q5 on this range and you want to get this done as well, just get in touch with us through the website, hit the contact form, mention that you found us on YouTube, and we'll be happy to help. And thanks for watching.